Go ahead. That's good. So this is one of my guys saying, okay, I'm trying to secure more motivated sellers. Bird dog. Being a bird dog in this game can really, really benefit you if you have the right team. Um, really, if you want to be a bird dog or not, it's completely up to you. You know, but I just want to say like this: depending on what your time, the value of your time is worth in any given time, at any given point in time, it all depends on what your time is worth. If you've put together a very nice system where your time is worth $100 or more per hour, then obviously you can have other people bird dog for you because their time may only be worth maybe $10-15 per hour, right? You can afford to pay them. Okay, if you have that much value in your time. Okay, now the quick question is, should you be the bird dog or should you have other bird dogs working for you? Maybe the phrase is not working for you but working with you, other bird dogs bringing deals to you. So speaking of in real time, this just came in, and this is one of my guys who literally just sent this in. Say, I don't know if you can see, but maybe not. It says, okay, I'm trying to secure more motivated sellers because I'm telling him that we got it clear to close on one of his deals that he has on my table. So again, I have the system, I have the team to make things happen. So when somebody just put a house under contract in the beginning of their career as a wholesaler, they don't necessarily have the resources, but we have the resources. We collaborate, we make money all day long. But the idea is for you to also continue to advance and build your own system so that eventually you have other people, you have 10, 15, 5 people bringing deals to you every month. And anytime you hear any one of those quote unquote gurus say, oh yeah, we do 10 deals per month, we do 20 deals per month, it's 99% of the time not deals that they generated from their own marketing. This is actually deals that have effective marketing cost of $0. So I want you to pay attention to that. So if you know how to nurture, train, and put together bird dogs, meaning people that go out there and find deals, they could be driving for dollars. I'm not a fan of driving for dollars, not because it doesn't work, it's because it's not worth my time for the most part. But some people probably don't mind. As a matter of fact, that statement I just made, my brother, my business partner, argue with me about it all the time. It's just not something I'm a fan of. It's not a strategy I'm a fan of, right? So just keep that in mind. It's basically up to you what you want to do, but eventually you're trying to build an empire. That's why you do it. So you want other people sending these deals to you, and you too, you can start claiming 5, 10 deals per month, or you lost count. I don't know how many deals, and you make money in different capacities, not only just from a flip, not only just from a wholesale. It could be from helping somebody find a financing. You can make money from point. There's all types of ways to make money in real estate, and you should keep that in mind. Just wanted to make sure I point that out since that email came in right there. So the first 25 to get the free download today will get daily mentorship for the next 25 days. It's a challenge to closing your first 4 deals. To download, go to www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com.